Good morning, sir. How are you today?
Good morning. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. The room is comfortable.
I am happy to hear that. Did you like the bed?
Yes, it is very soft. I like it.
That's good. Are you ready for breakfast now?
Yes, I am. What time does breakfast start?
Breakfast starts at 7 a.m. and ends at 10 a.m.
Oh, perfect. It's 7:15 now. Can I go now?
Yes, of course. Please follow me.
Thank you. Is the breakfast buffet far from here?
No, it's on the first floor, near the lobby.
Okay. Thank you.
Here we are. Please enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. What do you have for breakfast?
We have eggs, bread, fruits, juice, and coffee.
I like coffee and eggs.
Sure. Let me show you. You can take some eggs first.
Thank you. Can I take some fruit too?
Yes, of course. We have apples, bananas, and oranges.
I will take a banana and an apple.
Good choice. Do you want some juice?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Here you go. Do you want coffee too?
Yes, a cup of coffee, please.
Here's your coffee. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. The food looks delicious.
You're welcome. If you need anything, please let me know.
Okay, thank you. I will.
Do you like tea or coffee in the morning, usually?
I usually like coffee. How about you?
I like tea in the morning.
Oh, tea is nice too. Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I do. And you?
Yes, every morning I drink coffee.
That's good. Are you staying in the hotel today?
Yes, I have a meeting later.
Oh, I see. Where is your meeting?
It's at the city center, near the office tower.
I hope you have a good meeting.
Thank you.
How long will you stay in our hotel?
I will stay for 2 nights.
Okay. Do you need a taxi later?
Yes, maybe. Can you help me call a taxi?
Of course. I can call it for you at 9 a.m.
That's perfect. Thank you.
You are welcome. Do you want more breakfast?
Yes, maybe some bread.
Here is some bread and butter.
Thank you. I like butter on my bread.
I am happy to hear that. Do you want more juice?
No, thank you. I have enough.
Okay. How is the coffee?
Very good. I like it very much.
Great. Please enjoy your breakfast slowly.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. If you need anything else, just ask me.
Okay, I will.
Have you tried our fruits? They are very fresh.
Yes, I have a banana and an apple. They are delicious.
I am glad you like them. Do you want more fruits?
No, thank you. I am full now.
Okay. Do you want to sit here or near the window?
Near the window, please. I like to see outside.
Sure. I will help you move your tray.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy the morning, sir.
Thank you. It's a beautiful morning.
Yes, it is. The weather is sunny today.
I like sunny days. They make me happy.
Me too. Do you need a newspaper today?
Yes, please. I want to read the news.
Here is the newspaper.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Enjoy your breakfast and the newspaper.
I will. Thank you for everything.
It's my pleasure. Have a nice day, sir. Goodbye.